Imagine getting paid for watching YouTube videos. Suddenly, a time-wasting habit becomes your source of income. Well, that's what I understand by making your hobby your job, but I know this is a dream scenario and could never be reality. Or could it? Before we get into that, welcome back to your online money traffic. In today's video, we'll discuss the possibility of getting paid by watching YouTube videos. Let's head into it. Earn money watching YouTube videos. I know what you're thinking. Who the heck would pay me money to watch YouTube videos? It's a website named Paid to YouTube. The service is intended to pay you for viewing YouTube videos and to allow you to advertise your own YouTube videos if you have any. Earnings will be determined by the amount of YouTubers that use the website's services, but we'll go over that in more detail later. But is this a genuine chance or simply another scam? Keep watching to find out. Legit or scam? Paid to YouTube is a website that was created in 2009 to assist YouTube channel owners in increasing the amount of views, subscribers, and comments on their channels and videos. The firm will also pay you to view YouTube videos, subscribe to a channel, or leave a remark. Based on what Paid to YouTube offers, in my initial view of the site, I believe it is a real option. The firm follows through on its promise to compensate you for performing any of the previously stated tasks. Once you have enough money to withdraw, it is also sent to your PayPal account. Paid to YouTube's endurance further suggests that they are not a fly-by-night operation. The firm has already been in operation for 9 years, which is impressive given that many internet possibilities fail to last even 5 years. It is simple and free to sign up with Paid to YouTube. You just need to go to their website, select the register link in the upper right-hand corner of the menu, and fill out the needed information. By the way, have you ever heard of this website? Let us know in the comment section down below. Who are the lucky earners? The Paid to YouTube website is designed for two categories of people, one of which is those who own YouTube channels or YouTube videos. The other categories are folks like you who want to generate money online. If you run a YouTube channel or have numerous YouTube videos, the Paid to YouTube website may help you boost the amount of views, comments, or subscriptions to your channel and videos. Depending on how many videos, comments, ratings, or subscriptions you want for your channel and videos, the firm offers several rate choices. You may be certain that these things will be done since Paid to YouTube rewards its users for viewing and or commenting on videos. They also pay its users to subscribe to channels. Paid to YouTube gives people like you the opportunity to earn money doing something you currently do for free, watching YouTube videos. The firm will pay you every YouTube video you view, rate, or comment on via the website. You will also be compensated for subscribing to a YouTube channel through the service. When you have enough money, you may withdraw it, and Paid to YouTube will pay you via PayPal. It is simple and free to sign up, and it is available in any nation that accepts PayPal. Let's now dig into the question, which all of you will certainly be most interested in. How exactly can you make money using this site? How to earn bucks. The Paid to YouTube website allows you to get money by viewing YouTube videos. The firm will pay you in cash for each video you view, comment on, or rate. The first way to earn money from the website is to watch YouTube videos. Films are often only a few seconds long, with the longest being 30 seconds, so there is no need to be concerned about watching lengthy videos. But don't anticipate too much. You will only get paid between 0.001 cents and 0.005 cents every video you watch. The amount will most likely be determined by the length of the video you are watching. Aside from viewing videos, you can also earn money by posting a remark. Paid to YouTube will pay you 10 cents for each comment you leave on a video. I know what you're thinking. Copy-paste 1,000 comments on the same video and you've made $1,000. Unfortunately, that is not the case. The firm will only pay you once for leaving a remark on a video. So if you post 2 comments on a single video, you will only be paid once. However, if you post a comment on 2 videos, you will get rewarded 20 cents. The firm will also compensate you for rating a video. You will receive 0.01 cents for each rating you leave. The most you can make with Paid to YouTube is 15 cents if you subscribe to someone's YouTube channel. So, let's get this together. Watching, liking, and commenting on a video and subscribing to the channel gets you 0.261 cents. Not that much, but doing that for a bunch of videos every day, and suddenly the numbers start adding up. And whoever does not respect the penny is not worthy of the dollar. It is crucial to remember that you will only be paid for YouTube videos that you view, comment on, and rate on the website. The same is true for subscribers. Any YouTube video you watch outside of the website will not earn you anything, even if you saw it promoted within the firm. You must go via the Paid to YouTube website to have access to it. Paid to YouTube also offers a referral program that might help you earn extra money. You are paid 0.001 cents for each video that your referral sees. You are paid 0.01 cents for writing comments and 0.005 cents for each rating. You will be paid 0.05 cents if your referral subscribes to a video, so just get your friends on the website and make even more money together with them. You can withdraw funds from your PayPal account after you have at least $10 in your account. The firm only accepts payments via PayPal. The best part is, Paid to YouTube registration is free and simple. You will just need to enter a username, a password, your PayPal email, your YouTube username, and your country of residence. The firm will utilize your YouTube login to verify whether or not you have fulfilled the offer featured on the website. But is it truly worth it to visit this website? Keep watching to the end to find out. Hot or not? After understanding more about Paid to YouTube and what it does, it is time to examine the benefits that the website offers. The first advantage of Paid to YouTube is that it allows you to earn money by doing something you already do for free: watching YouTube videos. This is most certainly something you do on a daily basis, so the ability to earn money just by viewing YouTube videos is a huge advantage. It's also a nice thing that Paid to YouTube is available everywhere. This offers you additional possibilities to attempt to advertise the program to people from all around the world, increasing your chances of obtaining referrals to the program. I also enjoy that you are rewarded in money rather than points or credits. There is nothing wrong with earning points that may be used for incentives such as gift cards or other things, but if you ask me, getting paid in real money is still the best. It is simple and free to join. There is no need for you to worry about paying any registration or monthly membership fees. But as you know, every rose has its thorn. As attractive as the possibility provided by Paid to YouTube is, there are some drawbacks to it. The first thing I dislike with Paid to YouTube is that the profit might be quite sluggish. The income potential that the firm will give you will be heavily reliant on the YouTubers that use their services. So, if there are just a few YouTubers paying for Paid to YouTube services, there will be only a few earning chances for you. Because profits through Paid to YouTube might be sluggish, it may be more difficult for you to meet the $10 minimum cash out criteria. Working without earning is not something that anyone would like to undertake. After we've gone over all of the advantages and drawbacks of each option, let's ask ourselves the ultimate question: is Paid to YouTube truly worth it? Based on what I already know about the Paid to YouTube system, I would suggest the following. If you have some extra time and can't seem to discover other more lucrative methods to earn money online, or don't want to since it would be much more difficult, then Paid to YouTube is an option that is definitely worth your time. However, if you have other ways to make money online, it's a waste of time because it won't earn you much money. It is likely that you will only earn around $10 per week using this site, which isn't terrible, but there are other jobs out there that pay more. What do you think about this method to get paid by watching YouTube videos? Do you think it's a lucrative way of earning money? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.